Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can install Grammarly Go on your PC. So if you didn't know already, Grammarly Go brings the power of generative AI to the Grammarly experience, helping you across the digital spaces you write in the most. Keep moving with Grammarly Go, the AI communication assistant that's up to speed on your context and preferred writing style. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you how we can install it right now. To start with, you first want to come on the Grammarly website and come to this bit on Grammarly Go, and here we can see a button that says Get Grammarly. We're going to go ahead and click that. Now when we click on this, we'll be taken to this page. However, at the top we can see this button that says Get Grammarly for Windows, it's free. We're going to go ahead and click this, and here we'll be taken to this page. So now we want to just click this green button here that says Get Grammarly for Windows. After you've done that, the file will be installed, as you can see, and we're just going to go ahead and open this up. So it's now been downloaded, and you can either skip this step or just log in or sign up for free. The experience will be better if you do have an account, so I do suggest making an account first if you don't have one already, or signing in if you do have one. So I'm now signed in, and now it shows us a bit about how to use it. So it says, want to fix that typo? Click the suggestion to accept it. And here it tells you a bit about the difference between the free and the premium version. So with the free, it can help you with spelling, grammar and punctuation, basically standard things. With premium is where we actually get the important stuff. As you can see here, it says best for writing at work. So it can help you rewrite sentences. It can help find stronger words to compel your reader. It can transform your tone to sound more confident. And it can send every message with professionalism. So if it's something you do want, it could be worth getting, as I can see this being really useful for someone with an office job where they have to do a lot of writing. So yeah, feel free to choose whichever option you want. I'm just going to go with the free version for now. So now that it's installed on our computer, we can use it for a whole bunch of different things. So any kind of application we have where we can type, we can use it to help improve our punctuation or spelling or grammar in general. So if we go into the settings here, we can edit a few things about Grammarly. So we can choose what we write in. So since I'm British and speaking English, I'm going to choose this one. It can detect the tone in your writing and use that to give responses that sound more like you. You can change the writing style. You can choose whether you want it to launch on startup. And you can also see and change your shortcuts down here. And next up is account. That will just tell you a bit about your account details. And the third option is the block list. You can choose where Grammarly checks your text. So if you use a certain piece of software where you don't want Grammarly using it, you can add it to your block list, and then from there it will turn off Grammarly for that certain app, and you will no longer receive, and it will no longer pop up with things in trying to improve your text. So yeah, that is exactly how you install Grammarly. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to install Grammarly for yourself. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.